Evening. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic of current affairs. Uh, it is related to environmental geography, and this news was very important uh, from the examination's point of view. Okay, first news is related to Asiatic line, and second news is related to EPI, that is Environmental Performance Index. Okay, so let's start with the first news of Asiatic line. Recently, Gujarat government conducted a census to figure out the number of Asiatic line. Okay, then Gujarat government found the increment in numbers, and in previous census that happened in 2015, the number of Asiatic line was 523, and in the census happened in 2020, the number of Asiatic line was 674. There is 29% increment in the number of Asiatic line from previous census. Out of 674, there are 161 male, 260 female, and rest are cubs. It is to know about Asiatic line. Then Asiatic line lions generally belongs to pantherine categories, and the Gir National Park, definitely that is in Gujarat, is the domain of Asiatic line. In IUCN Red Data book, Asiatic line listed in endangered categories, as well as it is listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. If we discuss about IUCN, then IUCN stand for International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is established in 1940A. The aim of IUCN is to encourage the public to save the nature. One important thing is that IUCN generally produce the red data book of the threatened species. It is important. Plenty of time, bunch of question has been asked by the service commissions about IUCN. Definitely in UPPs, yes, these questions are asked. We have plenty of time. And second news that is related to Environmental Performance Index. It is an index. This index is produced by Yale universities with the help of Columbia universities with the collaboration of World Economic Forum. In 2020, the 2020 edition was 12th edition. The first edition was published in 2002. It is a biennial. Okay, and in 12th edition, the API 2020 index, India secured 168 position with the point of 27.6 out of 180 countries. If you compare with the 2018 index, in 2018 index, India got 177 position with 30 points. Okay, so definitely there is slight improvement in India's position. Okay, and Denmark got the first position in API 2020 with 82.5 marks. 82.5 points. Okay, if you consider about the South Asia region, then Bhutan got the top position and Afghanistan got the last position. India is at second last position. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe and maintain distancing.